Hi, I'm Kevin at Eurotek OKC. I want to talk to you today about the Ducati Diavel and the Ducati XDiavel. When Ducati introduced the Diavel several years back, they had three concepts that really came into this bike. This bike has got cruiser style lines, it's got sport bike kind of lines, and it's also got Ducati heritage in that it's got Ducati monster lines. The soul of the Ducati Diavel is the 1262cc Ducati L-Twin engine. It's 160 horsepower and it'll go 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. And then when Ducati introduced the XDiavel, what they really did is they put that same soul into a format that changes more to the cruiser style with the foot forward controls. So you can lean back, pin your ears back, and just ride to exhilaration. To get more information about the Ducati Diavel and XDiavel, check out our website, www.eurotech-okc.com, or give us a call, 405-948-4000.